What's up, Power Nation? Here we got a box of the dog shells. See them over there. We got a 100-shot hanger over there. If you know what it is, you know. We got a 16-shot creepy over there. There's the performance. Here we got a shut your mouth cracker. Bunch of double break shells, ball shells, all Shogun shells left in there, fountains, parachutes, rockets, shitty little crackling salutes, crackling balls, fuse. We got a tank down there, one demon shell left. Stay tuned, there's much more to come, and like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think.